School is about ready to begin. I know the pressures teachers have because I'm in the classroom too. As a mentor teacher, I'd like to share some tips and tricks that have worked for me for over 25 years to create great classes. Before school starts, number 1, arrange the desks so you can see each student's eyes. Number 2, make a boy-girl seating chart. Find out the academic level of each student. Place a high or average achiever next to a struggling learner. Behavior problems should be placed at the end of the rows or directly in front of the teacher. Number 3, place a name tag on each student's desk so when they enter the classroom they know exactly where to sit. Number 4, compile a fun activity book of 15 or more easy to hard English language, arts, and math pages for each student. Have the kids work in their activity booklet when they have finished an assignment or when you are addressing a problem. Kids should never be sitting idle. That's when problems begin to brew. Number 5, pass out only a pencil and a box of crayons to each child. Other supplies like markers, colored pencils, ink pens, scented markers are used as tricks to get the kids to be happy and excited about a boring lesson. After the lesson, collect and keep the supplies as motivator tools for future challenging lessons. Children become respectful to people that they enjoy learning from. So why not make learning fun? We can teach them almost anything. It could be super hard, but if it's taught in a fun and exciting way, they will learn it. So start early.